Welcome back to the channel. Lay life as a baby. Lay life as a baby. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know I'm in my kitchen, but I wanted to come on here because I just did a video. I just did like a simple like bun video, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it out because it's not really stamping on nothing. But anywho's, I'm getting my hair done. Hopefully by tomorrow my wig comes, so that's why I just did this little simple. Make sure you guys go down, hit that button, that red big button down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and join this family. They life as a Betty. It's always lit over here, and you already know that. That's home, period. I be kind of messing up on my intro because I'm trying to understand what I want to really say to y'all. But yeah, I meant to say that while I'm just jumping into this video. This is a vlog, so hopefully it don't be all over the place. But y'all finna watch me cook because that's what I'm finna do. It's literally like 9 something, almost 10, and I'm hungry. So I'm finally getting home to do so. So that's what I'm gonna do too, so for myself. So I'm gonna just set y'all up like this. So I got some steak that I just washed off, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and hit it again. I was gonna cook 2 of them, but since they ain't coming, ain't no need for me to cook 2 of them. He don't like to eat late, so I'm gonna just eat 1 steak, and then I'm gonna just put the other one up. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I use for my steak, because a lot of people don't. And then y'all might say, oh, that's a lot of seasoning, but that's fine. Y'all don't want that, but I do. So we don't got. Hold on. I'm trying to find everything that I need back here. Alright, so what I'm finna use garlic, pepper, Tony. That right there, good. I'm trying to think if I want to use garlic salt or garlic powder. I really think I'm gonna do garlic salt. And then I got steak seasoning. So I'm about to go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna just, y'all about to see me when I'm about to. I'm about to go ahead and turn this on. I like to cook with this when I don't want to mess up my stove. And yeah, when I'm in that mood, I don't want to mess up my stove. It's not gonna happen. I just turn my skillet on. I'm turning up to 300 because it gets already hot real fast. Make sure everything is cool. Make sure, I don't need to, But as soon as I turn this on, it's literally getting hot. This is how my steak look. Oh shit. Seasoning on both sides, rinse, did all that. So I'll chop up some onion and some green pepper, because I like that on my onion. I like to grill that. So I usually rinse off all my vegetables down me. While that cooks, I'm gonna clean my stuff up, and then I'll just be back when it's looking. That's the onions and peppers on my steak and mashed potatoes, and that is the broccoli. I just had to add white and yellow cheese, so that's why I look like that. But baby, it's still gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat And yeah, I'll just catch up with y'all tomorrow. Like I said, I gotta get up early in the morning, so it really doesn't matter. I literally gotta get up early in the morning, come back out when I get done eating and clean my kitchen up. So yeah, I'll just see y'all tomorrow. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Yeah, I'm vlogging. We at Ross. Trying to find some shit. I'm mad because I like these shorts. But when I just try them on, but maybe because I tried them on over this. Huh? They jeans. They was right here. But when I tried to do a size, some shorts would be cute with that.
Oh, shorts. I ain't meant to say shorts. I meant to say jeans.
Jeans.
Yeah. Capris, right? No, not capris. So I hate long jeans. Maybe capris. I just said no because I don't like them this way. You doing me?
Your makeup.
Yeah. I know you ain't vlogging.
Hey, vlog.
Get me off the camera.
The guy is looking up now. Look at my hair. This really better be here. That's all I'm gonna say. And then some. Should have brought my big part. I ain't scored nothing, but they did. Lashes. Stay secure, they big. I have it.
Next store, they secure some shit for you.
Got to figure it out. I kind of got a shirt already. I just need to find bottoms and then shoes. So hopefully, hopefully I find that. But I'll see y'all when we get to the next store, cause I'm out here looking like a, y'all know. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all. It's music in the back, so I gotta keep going in and out.
Having a conversation. I mean, we're
Secure the
having a conversation.
package, mission, and
And that's why I think
I hope I ain't got my mailing address for you.
me and her don't have
Oh, we get there. Real red, y'all.
like that, but not giving them very big.
Alright. So, see y'all in a minute. I'm ready doing my braid down. I ain't got my nose ring in. I'm getting my braid down. I'm gonna let y'all watch me get my braid down.
I can't even see what shoe you got, so why are you asking me this or this?
I say, oh, okay, it's the next thing.
I got the shoe that has the monster on it.
I'm about to head into this Wally Mart. Oh shit. I always do that. So, yeah. On our way to Walmart, so let's go. Walmart. Look at my toe. What's that, man? I gotta shake this one back up. That boy crooked. I know. I didn't think about it because I would have smashed that.
I might want a burger.
You want a burger? Look at his hands up. So I want a burger. It's no chicken. Y'all, still no fine me nothing. Can't find anything. And this is like how many stores we been through. And I can't find anything. Yeah, what I'm finna wear. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna get to the beach. I'm finna do her makeup. I was gonna set y'all up so y'all can see, but I'm just gonna show y'all when I'm done because my phone finna go dead. So I'll see y'all in a minute, baby. Yeah, so they didn't let us in the club, but I'm fucked up. So I'll just catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so yesterday, I'm gonna turn this down, watching TV. Yesterday, we went out. We thought we was going out, but we didn't get to go out. What happened was we went out and they wasn't trying to let nobody in the club. So the last clip y'all seen me say I was lit, but they wasn't letting nobody else in the club. So we just, yeah, it was too full. So they wouldn't let nobody in the club. So we went to IHOP's, got some food, everybody went home. So basically that's what happened yesterday. The weekend was not the weekend anymore. But it's okay, I'm cool. So today is Sunday now. And this is like my relax, get myself settled back in. Do some soul searching is what I call it. And cleaning up and cooking. So that's basically what I've been doing. So I was just gonna put y'all up so y'all can see me doing some of that. So I'm about to put y'all up so y'all can see me doing that. Boy, right now I'm in my room, but I'm about to clean up. So I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit in my room. I'm not really done putting my room together because I gotta work on my vanity and where I want to put my makeup, where I want to put my vanity at, because I want to build my own vanity. So that's what I'm in the middle of doing. My bed right here, I got pictures still down there that I gotta hang up. My TV finally got hanged up. I've only been here since April, but it's July now, just the beginning of July. But I'm still trying to figure out how exactly with my apartment. But yeah, y'all, so basically I'm back looking crazy. I took my wig off. I gotta put my wig back on so I could take pictures for the ground. Like, you know, face pictures. So I'm putting my wig back on because, yeah, look at all that wig stuff on there. But right now I'm about to get myself together and clean up. Y'all about to watch me kind of do some of the cleaning up and stuff. Bathroom clean, my room. This is my boy. Peace, sleep ball. Sleep lounge with my slides. So that's basically what I'm finna do. I'm just finna chill. So I just came out to end this video because I don't want it to be too long. And then when I make long videos, they be so freaking hard to edit because I want to make them really, really good. So I'm gonna get started. But y'all can't see this because I'm finna end my video. But if y'all like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys tell someone about my channel. It's your girl named like as and I'm sorry, and stay blessed. Bye bye.
like a baby. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.